Morning, guys. Bien, sí, estoy bien.
Yo te amo,
güey. Yo también, güey, pero me engañas con Alondra, güey. No vales,
güey. Vamos a contarlas con las que me has engañado. Las empezamos a contar, sí.
¿Aquí, güey?
Sí.
What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with Susie and Jesus, and it's another day. Are y'all going to the game?
Yes, like and subscribe. Ah! Give a thumbs up on this video. Comment below. Give this video a like. Subscribe. Comment below.
No, like it's
good fail. What the fuck am I doing this for?
Please.
Look at all them chickens.
It's fucked up, but we have to do this to make sure Feather doesn't get in trouble later.
Yeah, I know. Babe, can I go to the baseball game today? See? She said yeah.
Yeah,
So,
you can
yeah.
go. No holes over there.
She's gonna probably be pissed later, so.
It'll be on YouTube anyway, so you can see what happens.
Right, just skip to the game.
We just arrived here, first one here, waiting for Pati, Ratka, Alondra, and Jesus. So wait for everybody to come out. Belinda. So we're here at the game with this mascot right here. ¿Todo bien? ¿Todo bien? Pues aquí estamos, listo, bien chido todo. Just sat down, and now everybody's gonna move. Damn it. Everybody's already here, as you can see. Oh shit, I thought you were somebody else. Other person. Everybody's starting to arrive now. Stadium's starting to fill up, everybody's warming up. It's gonna be a good day. Great people. She's on the phone during the national anthem. What's up? Pati would be on the phone during the national anthem.
No.
Si todo el mundo lo está viendo.
Thank you.
Se lo voy a mandar este video para Monclova.
Hey, what's up?
I see, babe.
¿Dónde estás? ¿En dónde?
Con esta voz.
Camera's shaking because I'm
No la siento. La vas a tener muy chiquita. Bueno, aquí te espero, güey. Aquí te espero.
Angel's been fooling with the voices he's been doing.
But yeah.
¡Bueno! ¡Mamá! ¿Quién es? Yo. ¿Quién yo? Y luego sale, ¿quién yo? Pues yo, tu marido. It's like, no tengo marido. Pues ya tienes, pa. ¡Consigo, pa! ¡Tan rico, dinero! ¡El estacionamiento! ¡Dime, ven! ¡Run!
I'm just gonna be like, ven, tu marido, ¿quieres?
Here he comes.
¡Oye, John! ¡Ahora te ves quedado! ¡Ya hemos perdido! Mira.
Hey, this nigga drunk, bro?
What's going on, John?
What's up, homie?
You just got here. How you feeling?
Feeling good, bro. First fucking.
We're actually winning now. The
Really?
team's winning. Since we've gotten here, this kid literally has not stopped doing this. Check this out.
Patrocinador oficial informa. Carlos López.
motherfucker, I just got a motherfucking picture with the motherfucking popo. Y'all see that shit?
And we're leaving, going to eat. Everybody's walking, everybody's happy. Put hands up. So we're gonna go eat now, and I'll see where Gil takes us to go eat. Cause I'm really hungry. Do the other one you did. Alright, your turn. Go, 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 go.
¿Cómo se llama? Ciencia biológica con el cacomixtle, el caco, que es el... Oye, ¿y cómo se llama esa pintura? Esa pintura, yo no me acuerdo cómo se llama, pero el nombre viene abajo, está del lado derecho al...
Pinche caminadero. Yeah, please. Beso, beso.
Quedó en mi ranchito triste.
Alright, we just arrived here, about to grub. I'm really hungry. Y'all hungry? You hungry?
I'm fucking hungry.
Oh, I'm tired. I'm starving. Belinda, ¿tienes hambre?
Yep.
You hungry? 10 p.m. We're here. And I'm about to see what's going on. I heard this place is really good, Zayu, so I'm about to check this out right now. The drinks finally came in, quenched my thirst, and Belinda's trying to pick out what she wants to get. Angel's, on the other hand, just spilled the beer. I got it all.
You want a drink? I fucked it up so early. Can I try that? ¿Sabes qué? Tengo mis amigos.
Ah, no, 6 no, yo pedí 3.
We literally waited like an hour and 15 minutes for this food to get here, only for them to mess up Belinda's order and for me to get these burgers. Are you satisfied with the service?
Fuck no, nigga. That's a 1.
These people have gotten a 0.
Hell no.
They literally put no fucking meat in this taco.
Dile, güey, dile.
Like I said, I waited 1 hour for my meat in the burger. It's not even cooked, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat it anyways.
Look at all them chickens.